Mga kababayan, upang maghatid ng kanyang mensahe para sa sambayanang Pilipino, ang Pangulo ng Republika ng Pilipinas, Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.
Plug me daw. May plug.
The honorable members of the Cabinet, the Senate, and the House of Representatives who are with us here today, National Historical Commission of the Philippines Chair, Gerardo Jose Jr., Manila City Mayor, Hani Lacuna, of course, our First Lady Luisa Hernando Marcos, my fellow workers in government, other distinguished guests, ang aking mga minamahal na kababayan. Magandang araw po sa ating lahat.